the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing Johnny Test, but he's going to be an adult. So let's begin. First start with his eyes and then his face. That's his ear. And now he has some kind of like lines on because how his parents made the hair, they made it like too tight, so there's like lines over there. And now time for his nose. And make sure to, and it's a big shout out to Owen Sherwood for liking one of my videos and sharing them out with you guys. So make sure to check out his channel too. Make sure to like his videos and subscribe. And now it's time for his eyebrows. So his eyebrows are gonna show you his second eyebrow. So it's time for the body things. He's wearing a sweater, and his eyes are looking down, and you'll see when we get there. So he's kind of like mad, looks like. And it's like his eyeballs are right there. Alright, time for his arms now. So he has a phone in his hand and he's looking at it. now time for his. It's now time for his stomach, his abs. There's 3. So he has like that Johnny Test symbol in his middle. Yeah, I think he's wearing like. Yeah, I think he's wearing like it's like a necklace. Alright, so now it's time for his hands. And also his muscles. Alright, so time to draw the phone. The phone looks like an iPhone X or iPhone 11. So now it's time for, it's now time for that belt, and then we'll move to the pants. So it's time for the wait, so over here looks like a spike over there. Yeah. Now that's neat. Glad you're not too small. Good, there's a line over there. Now we're done, Johnny Test. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye, guys.